Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to start with a new lesson which is there in section 2 of unit 1, and the name of the lesson is The Road Not Taken. It's a poem composed by Robert Frost. In this poem, the poet has described his feelings about the choice that he had left in the past. So the same is applicable for us also. So here, when we choose our path, that path decides our future or our destination. So here goes the poem. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood. Diverge means taking a different direction. Yellow wood means a forest which is covered with dead leaves or decomposed leaves. And sorry, I could not travel both, and be one traveler. Long I stood and looked down one as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth. So here in this stanza, the poet is the only one traveler who is walking down a forest. And then he reaches a diversion. Diversion wherein there are two different paths. Out of it, path here means a road. And out of which he has to choose one. So here the poet starts looking at which path he has to follow, because he wants to know whether it will be suitable for him or not. So he keeps looking it till very far. Now here the poet is comparing it with our own lives, because we also sometimes have choices or alternatives, but we have to choose only one out of it. And we take our own time to think about the pros and cons, or the advantages and disadvantages, whether it will be suitable for us or not. And then only we decide to which path or which route we have to follow. Moving on to the second stanza. Then took the other just as fair. Fair means good than the act of the other one, and having perhaps the better claim. Claim here means better option, because it was grassy and wanted wear. Wanted wear means which has not been used, so it was full of grass. Though as far that the passing there had warned them really about the same. So in this stanza, the poet keeps thinking and decides to take the other path which he thinks would be the better one, because that path was grassy and he feels that no one must have used it. But after walking for some distance, he realizes that both the roads or paths were same, as both the roads were damaged. So here in our own lives also, we do come across problems and challenges, but we have to face them. We think that we are choosing a better option, but it is not that way how we think about life. And both that morning equally lay in leaves, no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. In this stanza, the poet says that both the paths were similar that morning. Both had leaves on them, and no one is referring to the travelers. So no one had stepped on those leaves, as they remain still green in color. So he decided that he would take one path and keep the other path for another day. Although he was knowing that one way or one path will lead to another path, he knew that he could not go back on the choice that he had made. Similarly, even in our lives, once we choose an option, we must keep on moving ahead with that option. we never get a chance to come back and take the other option that we had left earlier. Coming on to stanza 4. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Sigh here means deep breath. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood. I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. He says that in the future he will take a deep breath and say that once upon a time he had reached to such a point where he had two options for him, and he preferred taking the road in which there were less number of travelers who had traveled or who had taken that road. So the decision of his decided his own future. His refers to the poet. Similarly, in future, when you grow up, you will say that once upon a time, when you were young, you had two options. The choice that you made you what you became of it. This is very strong message for all of you students, that you should be wise and careful while making choices out of the options that you have in your life, because your future depends upon the choice what you have made, and so your future depends upon you only. I hope children you all must have loved the poem, and the poem has given a very strong value of life, which I hope you all must follow. That's it children. So here are the word meanings given, which you need to write in your rough notebook. The assignment given here is you have to write down the poem in your rough notebook. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe.